Private property, huh? Private shutdown's property. Well, here I go. Walk across the tracks and I'll go up to the old Mighty Mo here on the 29th day of April. Yep. Goes to the oil refinery down there, St. Paul Park. So here you are. No idea. I just had to see it the other day. I was over this area. Have a, oh yeah. Gonna see how the high water is. See how far you can go down to there. And yeah, here we are. Just back. I gotta go across the railroad tracks. So, anyways, what the hell, huh? So you can see all the. You can see how high that sucker is. There's a steel mill over there that's closed. It's the old Mighty Mo. You guys saw the other one on the Minnesota, so I'm not walking down there. That's crusty down, like I said, down in Davenport, Iowa. Great day for a stroll. Walking along Stockyard North Pumping Station. This used to be the stockyards over here. Way back when, I told you before. This takes all the oil out. The it's across the highway over there is an oil refinery. So yeah, it's, you can see that sucker. A friend of mine comes down here, goes fishing down here. It's pretty good. See all that trash down there. So. They're in water. They run 24/7. I know they're hiring. I always see them in the paper all the time. It's a big water pump stuff. So, but yeah, it's a nice day for a walk. Kind of show you the old Mississippi. There's another spot I want to get to later. I did a short on it. It's a park overlooking over there off of by Meow Falls and stuff. It's a Ford plant. The water's just rushing down. So yeah, it's just see that boat over there. You can see how it's flowing, man. You can tell how far it's been up right down there. They got more snow up north. You kind of walk up that bridge up there, it looks like. I can walk up there a little farther and give you guys a little more of a video, so yeah. Never been down here before, but yeah, this is the stockyards. I told the guy who used to work for Quality Wine, he would have all the guys who come down with their bulls and they slaughter them and they take back liquor. So see, this one is so. There's a memory of James Van Hout, 2006. Okay. Flowing along. Beautiful Saturday. It's windy, but it's not as bad as it was. You guys saw me the other day, yesterday on Friday, I was walking around, so. But yeah. I don't know how far the trail goes, but I bet you can bike a long ways down there, so. See a lot of that. They're called water something. I don't know what they're called. Oh. Yeah. bridge up here you can walk across. You can build a bridge and get over it. That's right. So, a little wandering along the Mississippi. There's a lot of places that are flooding across the old mighty Mo. A lot of places, like up in Anoka, Elk River and stuff. Oh my goodness. No. A little windy out, but I've had worse. Flowing on down to New Orleans. Right. Over there is Concord. It takes you all the way to St. Paul. That's some, you don't want to walk down there if you're drunk. You're gonna break an ankle. Hell yeah. You see how high, how fast flowing too as well. Attention, remote control locomotive operation in this area. Locomotive cab may be occupied. Okay. Private property, no trespassing. Shame on me. Well, they don't want you walking the tracks like I'm one to do, right? Debris down there, you can see. No. Yeah. I was telling Sue Ellen, I said, if I lived out in Davenport, Iowa, I would have, the first time the flood, gone. I get it, you choose where you want to live, but I'm not living in a floodplain. Not doing it. Hurricane area, I'm doing it. It's out of steel and cement. So, we actually have a Nelly Queen up here. Nelly Queen! So it looks like it goes, yeah, the bridge goes across the railroad track. Go over here to a park over here, it looks like. Oh, it's kind of nice to have a place to relieve it. Let's see. Every available person. The levee, yep. See what we have here. So you can come down here and bike forever. Bike along the old. So Grandview, 0.2 miles. St. Paul, 5 miles. Wow. Exchange Building, Concord, so yeah. Looks like you can walk up here, across the old bridge, see where it goes. Rent and save, portable services. Hey Nelly, are you there? Hey Nelly. Yeah. So, yeah. Out for a walk on a windy, blustery Saturday, the 29th of April, 2023. That's right. I was watching a video. This lady, why we quit. She's done 137 videos. She drives all over the place for RVs, and she's asking for money and buying from Amazon. I'm like, oh please. Yeah, it costs money to do this stuff. Drive around, and it's for squat. I'm like, what the hell's wrong with you? But yeah. So you kind of walk around, it looks like. bridge, you guys. So that goes down the other side. So that down there. So, yep. Steep grade. Watch out. So going into history here. You can see steep terrain. There's your mighty mo. We made it to the bridge. We'll go this far. So it goes all the way down. Railroad track. So, anyways. So, all right, you guys. We're gonna head on back, take a few pictures, and I hope you enjoyed the video of the old mighty mo. As you can tell, I could keep walking, but I'd be on my bike biking. So anyways, you guys, there it is. Mighty mo.